Hello students, in the last lecture I have told you how to find out median of particular sum. Okay, now today we will solve one more questions of that exercise. Okay, so let us begin with today's session. Okay students, so let us see question number 3. The following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speeds on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Okay, so this is the classification of number of vehicles on the basis of speed on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Find out median of the data. So basically what we are supposed to be asked here, we need to find out median of this particular data. So let us see the solution, how to solve. Already I have made this table. Okay, so let us see the method how to do it. Now see what is given here: average speed of vehicle kilometer per hour. So 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74. So this way the class is given. Okay. Now in this class, if you see, this class is not continuous, because here your class ended at 64 and here started by at 65. So here you can see the difference of 1 is there. Okay, same way here also you can see the difference is of 1. Here also difference is 1, here also, and here also. So every time you can see there is difference of 1 between any two classes. Okay, so in this case we have to make this class continuous class. So that is why I have introduced one more column, that is for continuous class. Okay, so in this case you will convert this class into continuous class. Now you can see the difference is of 1. So 1 difference means what? You will subtract 0.5 here and add 0.5 here. Okay, because half of 1 is 0.5. So subtract 0.5 from the lower boundary and add 0.5 to the upper boundary. Okay, so if you do that, see, if you subtract 0.5 from 60, you will get 59.5, and if you add 0.5 to 64, you will get 64.5. okay, same way here also you will get 64.5 and this becomes 69.5. okay, so how to write? You have to subtract 0.5 and here add 0.5. So here it will be 74.5, 79.5, 84.5, 89.5. okay, and what you will get here, same thing you repeat here: 69.5, 74.5, 79.5, 84.5. okay, so in this way you will make your class continuous. okay, so we have done that. Now what is the next step? We will fill fourth column. What is the fourth column? Cumulative frequency less than type. Now how to make it? Write first entry as it is, then add. So it becomes 10 plus 34, and if you do this you will get 44. Then 44 plus 55, it will give you 99. Then 99 plus 85 will give you 9514, 9918. So 184. And if you add 184 plus 10, you will get 194. And finally 194 plus 6 gives you 200. So here n value is how much? 200. Understood now how to make table? See, already we are given column 1 and column 3, and we have to make column 2 and column 4. okay, why column 2 is required? Because here your class is not continuous. So to make this class continuous, you have to introduce one more column, that is continuous class. And how to do it? First thing is what? You can see the difference between any two class is of 1. okay, so what is the half of value 1? So if you do half of 1, you will get 0.5. So you have to subtract 0.5 to the lower boundary and add 0.5 to the upper boundary. So if you add 0.5, so what you will get? 64.5, 69.5, like that. And here if you subtract, now you have to go one digit before. So 59.5, 64.5, 69.5, like that you can continue. Okay, so this is the shortcut way to do continuous class. And already I have told you cumulative frequency less than type. How to make it? It is very simple. Write first entry and go on adding to the next frequencies, and you will get the cumulative frequency less than type column. Okay, now what is our next step? We will find out what is the median class. So for that purpose, what is n here? N is how much? 200. Okay, now what will be your n upon 2? Let us find out this. N upon 2 means half of 200, and if you do that, half of 200, you will get 100. Now you have to search which column contains this 100th entry. Now see here, in this you can see 45 to 99 is there, and we want 100. So 100 will come here, 99 to 184. So in between 100 is there, right? 99 to 184, you will find 100. So this will be your median class. So highlight it. Okay, so let me do highlighting of this. Okay, so which one? 99 to 184. So highlight this. Highlight this class as your median class. Okay, so this class is what? Your median class, and lower boundary of this becomes your L. Okay, this becomes your frequency F. Sorry, this is F, and this will be your CF. Okay students, so this is your median class. Why? Because in between 99 to 184 you have 100. So this is your median class, and this will becomes lower boundary, and this will be your F, not this. This is your F, and sorry, by mistake, this will be your CF. Okay, this is your median class, this is your L, F and CF. Okay, so let us write the values. What is L here? 74.5. What is F here? 85. What is CF here? 99. Okay, now one more thing we need, H. What is H? Difference between any two classes. So if you take difference, you will see 5 differences of 5. Okay, difference between any two lower boundary, or you can take difference between any two upper boundary. So if you take difference, you will get 5. 64 minus 59 gives you 5, or you can do this way, 60 65. So 65 minus 60 again will give you 5. So you can take anywhere, but difference is of 5. Okay, now we will write formula of median, and we will solve this. Now what is the formula of median? Median is equal to L plus bracket n upon 2 minus CF into H upon F. Okay, so this is the formula to find out median. L plus bracket n upon 2 minus CF into H upon F. Okay, now let us substitute the values to get our answer. L is 74.5. What is n upon 2? 100. What is CF? CF is 99 upon what is F? 85 into what is H? 5. So this becomes 74.5 plus 100 minus 99 will give you 1. So 1 upon 85 into 5. Now students, you can do cancellation by 5. So if you do that, 5 1 ja, 3 is remaining, 5 7 ja. So here we are getting 74.5 plus 1 upon 17. Now we will divide 1 by 17 so that we will get answer. Okay, so let me do division of 1 by 17. First thing is what? 17 cannot divide 1 right now. So for that purpose we will take point and take 1 0. Again you can see 10 is less than 17, so you cannot divide 10 by 17. So again you have to take 1 0. For that purpose take 0 here and take one more 0. Now you can divide, and you know 17 5s are 85 and 6s are 102. So 6s are you cannot take, so take 5s are 17 5s are 85, and if you do subtraction now you will get 15, and you can take 1 0. Okay, then if you do the table of 17, then what you will get? 17 8s are 136. Okay, so take 8s are 136. Okay, and if you do subtraction you will get 14, and this division will go on. So after point we have 3 digits, so that will be enough. So I am writing here 0.058. Okay, now if you do addition of this now you will get 74.558. Okay, so we can write our final answer. Therefore median of the data is equal to 74.558. and see, this data is what? Of average speed of vehicles kilometer per hour. So write here kilometer per hour. This is most important part. Okay, don't forget to write here kilometer per hour, because whatever answer you get in case of mean, median or mode, you have to write this answer at the last. Okay, so students, I have completed today's session, and now I am expecting that you all will complete practice set 6.2. Now in the next class I will tell you how to find out mode of the class. Okay, so before that you all please complete your notes till 6.2. Okay, thank you, bye bye, we will meet in the next class.